What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Kayotic Motorsports video. Today is head teardown day. So in the last video, you kind of saw that we took the cams out, all that stuff. Today, we're doing the rest. So Kyle's already gotten started. That is my fault because I forgot to record all the stuff. But we're on our last exhaust valve here. So he's going to go ahead and knock that out. Do you need me to hold the head? No. Go ahead and get that spring retainer out. So that was the last exhaust side valve. Yes. So the rest of them are already out. We're going to start on the intakes here. And then from there we go to taking out the valve stem seals, which is what we're replacing. So I will pick this back up as soon as we get the last intake valve out. Give you guys a little update. Lose it. And in case you didn't watch the last video, here's the cams, rockers, the cam angle sensors over here. These are, what are these? BC or Crower? BC cams, 268, 272s. So just a mild cam. Not looking to make, you know, crazy horsepower right now. Thinking like 500, still a stock bottom end. And then if you are new to the channel as well, here's our turbo setup under here. Got the Morrison Fabrications exhaust manifold, precision wastegate, Godspeed manual boost controller, Morrison Fab wastegate dump, Morrison Fab exhaust O2 housing, and then this is the old turbo. 6266 journal bearing. We have upgraded now to inside this box a 6266 ball bearing. So that's what's going on with that. So if you're not a regular to the channel and you don't talk to me like in person or anything like that, basically I made 4 passes on the car last year, and on the last one, hurt it pretty bad. Hit 38 pounds of boost, and everything's covered right now. Yes, 38 pounds of boost, and blew everything apart. Basically, which is why we are where we are right now. Rebuilding the head, new turbo. But it is just about season, so we kind of crunched. Hoping to have it all done, I'm gonna say in a month. I'm gonna have it all back together in a month and then take it over to my tuner, which is JP Riccio. If you are in Cleveland area, you got a DSM, that's the guy. Alright, I'm talking too much, so I'm going to cut this off. We'll update you in a few minutes with all these around. So yeah, stay tuned for the next little section. Alright, so we just got the valves out, and I went ahead and pulled the valve seals as well. So we got all the valves here. So far we have not found a bent one. We do need to get them on a flatter surface to check and make sure that they're all good. But so far they look fine, so that's good news. Valve stem seals came out pretty easy. I'm blocking the light. So, valve stem seals came out pretty easy. Obviously, while we have this all apart, we're going to clean the living buck out of it. Get it all looking brand new spiffy. So there's the seals there we pulled out. So I'm going to be replacing the seals. We are going to check all the valves, make sure none of them are bent. If they are not, we'll be reusing them. They do have some icky sticky on them. That would be, yes. Some carbon buildup. We're going to clean all that up too. I was thinking about doing a fresh grind just to make sure we're sealing absolutely 100% the way we should be. And then we'll put it all back together. This is as far as we're going for today, because I have not ordered the replacement parts yet, so I got to do that. Probably do that in a couple days. But I did just kind of spend all my money on a surprise. So yeah, but head's torn down. We did work on prepping these wheels for powder coat a bunch today. I don't know if you guys remember from previous videos, but these were painted black. You can still see some of the black remnants in there. So, yeah. But they're getting there. It's a lot of work getting this paint off. There's like 2 different colors of paint and then an astronomical amount of primer underneath all the paint. So it's taken us quite a while to get those prepped, but they are getting done. So look to see those getting finished up here in the next couple weeks worth of videos. And that's gonna be it for this one. So like I said, I didn't spend my money on something, a lot of money. Big surprise you guys are gonna like, so stay tuned for that. If you like this kind of content with tearing the head apart and, you know, more technical type stuff to building high horsepower cars, make sure to like the video and subscribe. If you don't like that stuff and you watch this video, like and subscribe anyway, and tell me what you want to see. We do want to build our subscriber count up quite a bit here in the next year, so to do that, we need to know what you guys want to see. So let me know. Don't forget to check out the page for updates. You'll get those updates before these videos, because these videos are a couple weeks behind. And usually the Instagram is not. The Instagram is at Kayotic Motorsports. Facebook at Kayotic Motorsports. We do have a website, kayoticmotorsports.com. You can see that up there. So go check that out. We do sell merch. You can check out the merch up there on the site. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. I did just throw up a couple short videos just to get some stuff up. The next few should be a little longer. Again, let me know what you like, the shorter ones, the longer ones, more technical, less technical, car shows, racing, you know, whatever. Let me know what you guys want to see, car related, obviously. If you like the powder coating videos, let me know about that as well. Yeah, so that's going to be it for the... Let's go look at that bare block over here real quick, since Kyle got it uncovered. Got the block all painted up nice. I did that for the initial build over the last summer. It's a mess right now, yucky. But we're gonna be back on the road here, hopefully in the next month and a half. So yeah, all right, that's it. I'm done with this one. I apologize. If you like that, let me know. See you next time.